Hello guys, today we're gonna see to how to check transaction history in Western Union. This is simple. We're gonna click right here. Uh, First, we're gonna find in our browser Western Union, and then we're gonna click this page right here, and then we're gonna select these uh, three three lines right here, and we're gonna find um, the history auction right here. We don't see this auction, but you need to um, log in. Okay, you need to log in to see the auctions. It's really easy to do this. Right here in the Spanish page of Western Union, right here we see the history option uh, of Western Union. If you wanna see this auction right here in the Spanish page of Western Union, you need to click right here and then select Spanish as as the language to display. Then click these three lines and then click right here in history auction. We're gonna click right here and they're gonna ask for login. Okay. Well, if this video was helpful, please comment and subscribe.